Hello, good evening everyone. Can everyone hear me? Those are online? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay, let us start. Can everyone see my screen? Tell me. Okay, let us start. Where is it? Okay, can everyone see? Okay, these were the. Let me see. Oh. So I had given some homework questions. Everyone pay attention. Okay, I think these were the homework questions. Everyone pay attention. I think these were the homework questions. First one. First one.
So before you start, can you please check question number 3 and 4? I think they were the same question or what? Check once.
3 and 4.
Yes, read the questions once. You'll understand.
Number 3 is f is double differentiable such that f of a is equal to 0. Oh, actually, I forgot to give the function g of x. Anyways.
And what about question number 4? So that C can be found in A comma B. Nothing else is given.
No, nothing else is given. This one is fine. Okay, number 3 is fine. Number 4 is fine. Wait, I'm writing g of x. Pay attention. Wait, let me see. What was g of x given? Forgot to give g of x. Where is it? Where g of x is equal to okay. Where g of x is equal to, yes. So while giving the question, it might have been cropped. Where g of x is equal to f dash x whole square. F double dash x whole square. Sorry, f dash x whole square. F dash x whole square. No, it is f double dash x whole square, I guess. Yes. Wait a minute. It is f dash x whole square only. F dash x whole square plus f of x into f double dash x. So tell me, should I solve this problem or should I add this in the next homework? No, answer is not.
Sir, add this in the next homework.
So I'll add this in the next homework since I gave an incomplete question. So I'll add this in the next question. Number 3, I'm not discussing. I'm not writing the answer. Okay. So number 1, part 1. F of x equal to this. Okay, the answer is c is equal to pi by 4. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. C is equal to pi by 4. Yes, sir. Sorry, what happened? No problem. C is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Next one is not differentiable. So Rolle's theorem is not verified. Okay. Okay. So Rolle's theorem is not verified, not differentiable. Okay, everyone. Next, number 2 is infinitely many points. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Infinitely many points. Tell me.
Question number 2.
Number 3. Okay, Shamli, pay attention.
Sir, number
Over
2.
here. Yes, Shamli, what happened?
Sir, I said question number 2.
Number 2. Yes. F of x equal to x sin pi by x for x greater than 0. And we need to find out the number of points in which 0, 1 is, where f dash x varies. Okay, so pay attention. First of all, f of x equal to sin pi by x. Let us find out at how many points it is equal to. It will give us the same values. F of x equal to x sin pi by x. Right? Tell me, everyone. Okay. If you see x sin pi by x, if you put it equal to 0, wait, let me see. F of x equal to x sin pi. If you put it equal to 0, what are we getting? Tell me, everyone. Either x is equal to 0, but over here, x and pi by x, over here the branch is x is greater than 0. So x cannot be equal to 0, right? So sin pi by x has to be equal to 0. Right, tell me, Shamali, are you getting? Sin pi by x is equal to 0. Tell me, sin theta is equal to 0. What is the value of theta? Theta is n pi, right? What happens? N pi for n belongs to integers. Okay, this implies pi by x will be equal to n pi. Right, tell me everyone, are you people getting? This implies pi will get cancelled, x is equal to 1 by n. Tell me, can everyone understand? So that means for all x belongs to, for x is equal to 1 by n, for n belongs to integers, sin pi by x will give us 0 as the answer. Are you getting? Tell me everyone. Are you people getting?
Yes.
Now tell me, in the interval, yes, in the interval 0, 1, in the interval 0, 1, how many values are there? Infinite. For x, which is in the form of 1 by n. See, 1 by 2 also lies over here. 1 by 3 also lies over here. 1 by 4 also lies over here. 1 by 5 also lies over here. Dot, 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 dot. How many points? Infinitely many points. So you will get infinitely many intervals. Right, tell me, Shamali, are you getting? You will get infinitely
Yes.
many intervals. So what are you doing? Cannot understand. What is that? Tell me.
This is glass cleaner.
Huh?
Spectacle cleaner.
Jail.
No, it's just clean this.
Oh, new things. You see, actually, f of 0 is equal to 0 is equal to f of half. Tell me, are you people getting? Is equal to f of 1 by 3 is equal to dot, 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 dot. It keeps on going like this. Okay, there are infinitely many points, right? So there exists some c belongs to 0, half such that f dash c is equal to 0. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, similarly, there exists some C2 belongs to 0, half, 1 by 3. So I hope you have understood. Should I complete? I mean, I've already completed. There exist infinitely many points. Is it clear? Tell me, Shamali.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Number 3, I'm not discussing today since I didn't give. Number third one. It's not that easy. Just by looking at it, you will get the answer. Okay. I have to work hard for it.
Why are you solving?
Because I didn't give g of x. I forgot to give g of. Huh?
How did I do?
Some tools,
No.
some website probably.
No, I use the website.
No.
Maybe then I use the wrong
Maybe
website.
maybe last year you have the notes.
No, I have nothing. Last year I wrote
Last year. Oh, it's- then God knows. Okay, anyways. So number 4, should I solve everyone? 4 is a proof problem. Tell me. Anyone having any doubt in 4? Tell me, anyone having any doubt in 4? No? Okay, number 5, anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Number 5, anyone having any doubt? Okay, 5 I'm anyways solving, okay, because there is a concept behind it. Okay, I have to discuss. Okay, it is given mod of cos b minus cos a upon b minus a. What does it looks like? Tell me everyone. LMVT, right? We have to use LMVT over here. Tell me, are you people getting? So what function we should take? Tell me.
Cos x.
I have to
Sir,
take
cos t something.
cos x or f of x equal to cos x. In the interval a comma b. Are you people getting? Tell me. Now this function is continuous and differentiable, right? So we can apply LMVT. Okay, therefore there exists some c belongs to a comma b such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Right, tell me everyone. Are you people getting? So what do we get? F dash c is minus sin c. Minus sin c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Right, tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no? Taking mod on both sides. We have to take mod. We have got mod of minus sin c. And mod of minus sin c is less than or equal to 1, right? Mod of sin c is always less than or equal to 1. Okay. What does it mean? I'll show you. Okay, let us draw the graph of cos x. You people remember the graph of cos x? Right. Let's come. So this is the graph of cos x. Okay, this is the graph of cos x. Okay. Pay attention. Okay, in this graph, what you do is you join any 2 points. Okay, join any 2 points over here. Join any 2 points. The angle which it makes with the x-axis will always be less than or equal to 45 degree. Check it. You can never get an angle which is more than 45 degree. Try it out. Join any 2 points. Are you getting? See? The angle is always less than or equal to 45 degree.
Sir, if we draw like this,
Which one?
uh, reverse that line along y-axis. Reflect.
We'll always calculate from left to right, right? Tell me.
Then it will be obtuse angle.
Which one? You are talking about this line?
No, sir.
Which line?
So like that line that you have drawn between the like
This one?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
what?
Just reflected over the y-axis.
Okay, like this.
Yes.
Where it is intersecting? No? It's not intersecting only.
It is intersecting that.
Acha, over here you want to intersect. Acha, mod b is cos less than or equal to 1, right? Wait a minute.
It will be less than minus
45. See?
Acha.
Okay.
Yes.
The angle which it makes with the x-axis, clockwise or anti-clockwise, it will be less than 45 degrees. Understood?
Yes.
Tell me. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Mother is calling. Okay. Tell me, those are online, are you people getting? Okay. So write it down. So the angle formed by any chord, tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? Is less than or equal to 45 degree. Okay. For cos x, same thing will happen with sin x also. Okay, same graph here, same graph. Next, number 6. Number 6, what is the answer given? Let me see. 6 you people got f of 1 is equal to 5. What did you get? Everyone? 5.
Yes, sir. 5. F of x was 3x plus 2.
Yes. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. I'll explain.
Could you please explain this one?
Okay. So Arjo, pay attention. F is continuous and differentiable in 0, 2. F of 0 is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 8. And f dash x is equal to is less than or equal to 3. Okay. F dash x, pay attention everyone. There are 2 ways to solve it. Okay. This is question number 6. Okay. If f dash x is less than or equal to 3. Okay, everyone. I can say that integral of f of x is less than or equal to 3x, right? But I need 3 over here. I just need 3. So I have to use an interval from 0 to 1, right? If you integrate 3x from 0 to 1, I mean, integrate 3 from 0 to 1, you'll get 3 only, okay? Right, tell me everyone, are people getting? Integral from 0 to 1, 3. Let me see, 3x, 1, 0, 3 into 1 minus 0, correct. Okay, tell me, are people getting? So what will this give us? Tell me, this is f dash x, okay? Next, this will give us f of 1 minus f of 0 is less than or equal to 3, right? Tell me everyone. Now what is the value of f of 0? Is it given in the question?
Yes, sir.
How much? 2. So done. This implies f of 1 is less than or equal to 3 plus 2, which is 5. Tell me, are the people getting? Yes or no? But this is not the only case, right? I mean, over here we have got f of 1 less than or equal to 5. This is not the only case. Why did I substitute from 0 to 1 only? It can be some other interval also. This can also, I mean, this question can also arise in your mind. isn't it?
1 to 2.
So let us take 1 to 2. Okay. So integral. Oh, now why I'm taking 1 to 2? Because some values are given to us, I guess. Let me see.
Yes, f of 2 is here.
F of 2 is given to us. So that we can do. Right. Integral from 1 to 2. F dash x will be less than or equal to integral from 3. Integral of 3 from 1 to 2. Okay, this will give us how much? F of 2 minus f of 1 will be less than or equal to how much? 3. Right, now f of 2 is given as 8. So this implies f of 1 is greater than or equal to 5. So from this equation and from this equation, what can we conclude? F of 1 has to be equal to
5.
So we can also use LMVT.
Yes, this is one of the method I showed. Okay, like this method also you can use for solving this problem.
So, like you can use LMVT by directly finding out f dash x in 0, 2 and then integrate it. One case you will get less than or equal to 3, another case you will get f dash x exactly equal to 3. So then you integrate.
Yes. Next, case 2. Sorry, method 2. Method 2 we can apply LMVT also. Okay. What are the intervals given to us? 0 to 2, right? So first of all, I'm going to apply LMVT in 0 to 1 and then I'm going to apply LMVT in 1 to 2. Okay, everyone. So in the interval 0 to 1, in the interval 0 to 1, okay, in the interval 0 to 1, there exists some C belongs to 0, 1 such that f dash C is equal to f of 1 minus f of 0 upon 1 minus 0. Right? Tell me everyone. Are people getting? Now what is f of 1 given to us? Oh, f of 1 we need to find out. From here f of 1 minus f of 0 is how much? 2, right? Okay. F of 2. And f dash x is given less than or equal to 3, right? So from here what do we get? Achha, it is given, so this implies f of 1 minus 2 is less than or equal to 3, right? So this is one equation we have got. This implies f of 1 is less than or equal to 5. This is one inequality we have got. Is it clear? Next, I'm going to apply LMVT in 1 to 2. Okay. So again, f dash C, f dash D should be equal to f of 2 minus f of 1, right? Upon 2 minus 1, right? F of 1 is we need to find out. Okay. And f dash D is less than or equal to 3. F of 2 is 8. So 8 minus f of 1 must be. Tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me, Arjo, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is greater than or equal to 5. So from these two equations, again we can say that f of 1 has to be equal to 5. Tell me. Is it clear to everyone? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Tell me, Ankit, you got this? Okay. Next we have got, okay, this came in mains this year only. What's the answer?
This question, had we said.
Is it the answer given 5?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Tell me.
In the previous question, had we assumed g of x will be the f of x minus 3x?
F of x minus?
3x.
Huh.
This was making the sum easier.
Easier? I don't know. I have to check. Like what you want to take? Tell me.
Just check.
Tell me.
I assume g of x as f of x minus
G of x is equal to f of x minus 3x. Then?
then this g of x becomes, assuming that f of x is a polynomial, g of x becomes continuous and lower differentiable in 0 to 2.
Okay.
And g of 0 is also equal to g of 2.
G of 0 is equal to?
G of 2, because g of 0. F of
Wait.
0.
G of 0 is equal to f of 0. F of 0 is given, right? 2. 2 minus? Achha, 2. Okay. So, and G of 2. G of 2 is equal to f of 2. F of 2 is 8. So 8 minus 6, 2. Correct. Then you want to use Rolle's theorem.
Yeah, then I use Rolle. Then.
Oh, G dash at 0.
Yes, g dash at 0.
G dash at C.
C becomes 0.
0. Okay.
Then f dash at C is minus 3 becomes.
F dash at C minus 3
becomes 0. Then f dash C
is equal to 0.
0.
Okay. Then
Then f dash C is 3. By integrating, we are getting f dash f of x as 3x plus 2.
F dash c is equal to
3.
3. Okay, then
Then we are getting by integrating, we are getting f of x as 3x plus 2, because
Okay.
f of 0 is 2, so c becomes 2, and then just we put 1 in x and we are getting.
let me think. Okay, I just need to check whether this condition is being satisfied or not. That f dash x is less than or equal to 3 for all x belongs to 0, 2. What you have got? You have got f dash c is equal to 3. Oh, even though you are getting the answer, but acha, it is less than or equal to 3. It is equal to 3. So both are not same. Are you getting? It can be equal to 3 at some point. So you have found at that point C. I think you can use this method.
But this is not a more realistic.
Yes, I think there can be some ambiguity about this problem, because the whole inequality is not it's not being satisfied in your case.
Particular C for
Yes, for a particular C you have got it. Anyways, next, anyone having any
Sir,
doubt
can
in
you
7?
solve some part of 7?
Some part of 7. Okay, let us start. First of all, they are asking us the critical points, right? What is the definition of critical points, everyone? Do you remember? Tell me, everyone.
So when f of x equal to 0,
F dash x is equal to 0 or not.
F dash x is equal to 0 or it is not defined, right? Does not exist. So does not exist, we can find it very quickly, right? It's mod given, right? Right. Mod function is not differentiable at what points? Where it changes the direction. That means the expression should be equal to 0, right? So sin x has to be equal to 0, right? Sin x equal to 0. What is the value of x? Plus minus pi and plus minus 2 pi. Right, we cannot take 0. Try to understand. X is not equal to 0 given, na? Otherwise the function is not defined.
so but 2 pi is also not.
But can we take 2 pi? No. So we cannot take this. It's an open interval. So from here we have got 2 points. Tell me, Shrita, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
From here directly we'll get 2 points. Next, after that, what do we need to check? F dash x, right? F dash x is equal to 0, right? Okay. So, okay, is the function continuous? The function is continuous, right? Limit x tends to 0, that will be
Yes,
1.
yes, it's
The function is continuous. Okay. What is f dash x? I'm just checking for the right hand side, 0 to 2 pi, okay? F dash x will be equal to x into cos x minus sin x upon x square. Remember, x is not equal to 0 and x belongs to 0, 2 pi. Tell me, are you people getting? So I'll just check for 0 to 2 pi only, okay? X cos x minus sin.
Should we take two intervals from 0 to pi
Pi
and pi to 2 pi?
Sign
Because
exchange.
it changes sign.
The function is even, right? I've told you before also that sin x by x is an even function. So whatever points you get it from the right hand side, same points will.
No, it's like the right hand side of 0
From 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi.
Right. That I'll substitute. Currently we have just find out the critical point. That we'll see it later. Okay. So f dash x is equal to 0, right? What have we got? I've got x cos x is equal to sin x, right? Tell me. This implies tan x equal to x. We just need to check tan x is equal to x at how many points in 0 to 2 pi. Understood? Tell me, are you getting rhythm? Okay, this is 0 to pi by 2, right? Tell me. 0 to pi by 2. And then Rhythm, what were you saying? Tell me.
Oh, I was saying that we should take two intervals, so 0 to pi and pi to 2 pi, because mod changes sign. So we should divide it separately.
Wait, let me see.
So but we are setting mod equal to 0 now. It will not affect
It
anything.
will not affect, but logically and evaluation.
So let me see. Okay. So this is the graph of tan x from 0 to 3 pi by 2.
Yes.
From 3 pi by 2, 2 pi it will be below, so
Yes.
not required. Okay. How many points are we getting? Like this? Okay, it will be above. You can understand. We are getting 1 point, right?
Yes.
1 point on the right hand side,
So 1 point on left hand side.
1 point on the left hand side, and 1.0. 3 points.
So that's 3. You said 5.
That's
So
a-
0 is not defined in this function.
But sir, 0 at 0 is not defined. That means
Yeah,
it
to
can
do
be a
this
point of critical point.
Sir,
Yes. Over here, how much I have written? 5.
Yes, sir.
It comes 5.
Yes, sir.
One will get one critical point from 0, but that is not in this function.
Wait, let me think.
Second.
Achha, but in the second branch it is there, na?
Second.
The second branch it is there. So x equal to 0 we should also take.
Yes.
Second
Yes, sir,
branch
we
it
should
is
take.
there. Huh. Understood? Tell me. Actually see, the function is equal to 0 at x equal to 0 also. So that is a critical point. Understood? So x equal to 0 plus minus pi and 2 points from here.
In the function they have given that is equal to 1 for x is equal to 0.
No, f prime x equal to 0. For x equal to 0.
Hey, find out the derivative. See. If you differentiate, it will be dy dx of mod sin x by x, na? Are you getting? And it will be equal to 0 for x equal to 0.
I'm saying we will get one critical point from 0.
Yes, we
But
got it.
from
Got it.
that, not that part.
Yes, I understood. So from here, we have got 3 points and 2 points from there. So 3 plus 2, 5. No, not from this branch. We should not include 0 from here. We should include 0 from the second branch. Okay, is it clear, Shrita? Tell me.
Yes, sir. I was doing some mistake. I got it.
Okay. So in total, how many points you have got? 2 plus 3, 5. Okay.
Yes.
2 points from here in the first branch.
Sir, I did
1
not
point.
count those plus minus 5.
Okay. And last one, the answer is given as B and C. Anyone having any doubt, tell me. Last one, the answer is B and C. This one. Okay, what is given? FG maps from -1 to 2 be continuous, which are twice differentiable on the interval. Okay. So over here, let us take a function. In each of the intervals, -1, 0, the function f minus 3g double dash x never vanishes. Then the correct statements. Okay. So it never vanishes. That means it is either concave upwards totally or it is concave downwards. Okay. So over here, last question. Let h of x is equal to f of x minus 3g of x. Right. So over here, h dash x. First of all, let us check between -1 to 0. What is h of -1? Tell me. What is h of -1? H of -1 is f of -1 minus 3g of -1. What is given? Tell me. I have to again. Tell me, what is f of -1 given? F of -1 is 3. G of, okay, so 3 and 0, right? So this will give us how much? 3 only. H of 1 is 3. And h of -1 and what else? 0, right? H of 0 is f of 0. F of 0, how much is given? Check your copies. I have to check it over here. Wait. 6. Okay, 6 minus 3 into g of 0 is given as how much? 1. Okay, this will give us how much? 3. So h of -1 is equal to 3 and h of 0 is also equal to 3. Okay, they both are same. So what can we apply? Rolle's theorem. This implies h dash x is equal to 0, right? In at least one point, right? In at least one point. Tell me, are you getting Abhigyan? Okay. So Abhigyan, try to understand. If it is more than 1 point, that means the graph is concave upwards, then it is concave downwards. Try to understand. In this case, f double dash, I mean the second derivative will be equal to 0 at least for once. Are you getting? Once it is concave up, another one is concave down. So it will be that second derivative will be equal to 0 at least at one point. Can you people understand? Yes or no? It is changing from positive to negative. The function is continuous and differentiable, so it should have exactly one solution. Are you getting? So option B is correct. Right. Similarly, I hope you can check for option C also. Okay. Right. In the question it is mentioned, pay attention. In the question it is mentioned that the second derivative never vanishes. If the second derivative never vanishes, either the graph is totally concave upwards or totally concave downwards. Is it clear? Are you getting? So I think now you have understood. So that is why it has exactly one solution in -1, 0, and it has exactly one solution in 0, 2 as well. Is it clear? Okay, anyone else having any doubt in the homework questions?
Sir,
Just tell me, Rishabh.
so I had a doubt in a question from the previous class.
Previous class, what doubt? Tell me.
So in question number 4,
Question number 4, what doubt you have? Tell me.
I was not able to understand the step.
Which step?
Could you scroll down a bit? Scroll up a bit more. So yeah, over here that let f of x equals to the polynomial of the term that you have
ln p of x.
Yeah. Why did you equate it to 0?
Which one?
Like just after the step, you equated the whole thing to 0.
Wait a minute, let me see. To find out what will be the polynomial p of x, are you getting? ln p of x plus 100x plus c, I have took it as 0 to find out what should be the value of p of x, then I can apply Rolle's theorem. Are you getting? First of all, I was creating the function p of x.
But how can you equate it to 0?
To create p of x, see, I have created p of x. What should be the value of p of x? Okay, this is not a part of the problem. This is actually creating the function p of x. Then only I can use it in g of x over here. Are you getting? Over here, what was the question given? P of
But
x
then
is a
we're
polynomial.
assuming that for that p of x, f of x will be 0.
No, I started with g of x. C. Over here, I started with g of x equal to p dash x by p of x plus 100. Yes or no? Why did I start with? Because see, I need to get up to this form, right?
Yes.
I need to get up to this form. So I need to create a function such that after differentiating, we are getting g dash x is equal. I mean, we are differentiating. We are getting this form is equal to 0. Getting my point? Tell me. Didn't understand. Means over here, look at the question. P of x
Could you
is
explain
polynomial
once
with
again?
real coefficients. Okay, we need to prove that there exists at least one c belongs to a comma b such that this is equal to 0. Means suppose there exists some function f of x is equal to something in terms of p. Okay, where Rolle's theorem is verified, then f dash c will be equal to 0. Okay, and what is f dash c? F dash c is equal to p of c, p dash c plus 100 p of c. Getting my point? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So from there I started creating the function. I took g of x equal to p dash x by p of x plus 100. Why? Because p dash x by p of x is integrable. Okay, ln p of x. Getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Okay, and then I substituted to understand what can be the value of p of x. Understood? Tell me.
But
Okay.
sir,
See,
how will we?
after that I took p of x is equal to p of x into e to the power 100x. Because now I know that after differentiating, we'll get the form.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
No, got it.
So this is the function I created. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it. Because like after differentiating q of x will give 0 because q of x is constant. That's it.
After differentiating, no, after differentiating, this whole thing will get 0 because
0, yes.
yes, because the right hand side is a constant. E to the power
Yes.
minus c is a constant. P of x into e to the power 100x, when you differentiate, it will give us 0.
It will be 0, yes.
Is it clear? Tell
Yes,
me.
yes. Yeah, that's clear.
Okay, next. I have done LMVT, I have done
Part 7 ones.
part 7 what?
Part 7 the graph, how we are getting the number of points is good.
Yes, see. This is the graph. So 1 point we'll get it from here, 1 point from here.
2 points.
0 to 2 pi we'll get 1 point. From minus 2 pi to 0 we'll get 1 point.
Yeah.
So from the first branch we are getting 2 points. Second branch we are getting 1 point. 2 plus 1, 3.
On the entire right hand side we are getting 1 point.
1 point.
And on the entire left hand side we are getting
1 point.
this is continued for the other part also.
Where?
So
In the second branch we are getting 1 more point. F dash x is equal to 0 at x equal to 0. So total we have got how many points? 3 points where f dash x vanishes. Understood? Now? Okay. So let us continue, everyone. Our next topic is Cauchy's mean value theorem. Okay, everyone. I have done Rolle's LMVT. Our next topic is Cauchy's mean value theorem. So those who are online, anyone else having any doubt in the homework questions, tell me. Some people have not sent the homework. Arjo, what happened?
So this part 7 had I
Shania, what happened?
So this whole will be a test.
Test.
5 tests.
Sir.
What?
This part 7 had we first defined the function.
Which one?
This part 7 had first defined the function. And then used roles to get that some points.
But there is there's no point in defining the function now, because mod sin x by x is given as. Okay, Cauchy's mean value theorem. Pay attention, everyone. If f and g are continuous, if f and g are continuous, and differentiable, if f and g are continuous and differentiable, then f of b minus f of a upon g of b minus g of a is equal to f dash c by g dash c. Okay, everyone. F of b minus f of a upon g of b minus g of a is equal to f dash c by g dash c. Let us see the proof. Okay, everyone. Let us see the proof. Okay. Do people remember what is f dash c? F dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. Right, tell me. And what is g dash b? G dash c? G dash c is equal to g of b minus g of a. Right, by LMVT, right, everyone? Upon b minus a. We can use LMVT, everyone? Yes, sir, tell me. Got it? This implies f dash c upon g dash c is equal to fb minus f of a upon g of b minus g of a. Hence proved. Right, tell me, everyone. Are people getting?
So this is just copying LMVT.
Yes. So everyone understood? This proof is wrong. Can you people tell me why this method is wrong? I mean, why the proof is wrong? Can you tell me? First, do you think it will be so simple? Tell me, why do you think this proof is wrong? Can you tell me? What is the error in this proof? Raise your hand. Tell me. You're copying so innocently. Let us understand. Raise your hand. Don't speak up in between. I don't want anyone. Yes, Som, tell me.
If roles is verified for g of x, then g
Roles? I'm talking about LMVT. You're talking about.
verified for g of x, then g dash c would become 0. And thereby
No roles. We are talking about LMVT. You are talking about roles. We have used LMVT over here, right? F dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a, and g dash c is equal to g of b minus g of a. Isn't it? I have used LMVT over here. So why are you talking about roles? Over here, I have not even mentioned that f of a is equal to f of b or g of a is equal to g of b. Have I mentioned? So no point in applying rules. Yes, Socrates, tell me, what is the error over here? Tell me. What is the
Sir,
mistake I'm
are
done?
we sure that both f and g are continuous and differentiable over the intervals a comma b?
Why not? I've mentioned it. Both the functions are continuous and differentiable. I've mentioned it. What is the mistake over here? Tell me. Okay, let me tell you. Okay, tell me everyone. Asha, Swapnil wants to say. Swapnil, tell me, what is the error over here?
Sir, maybe the points that we have taken in as C2F and C2G, they are not necessarily same.
Yes, you are more or less correct only. Try to understand everyone. If this is f of x, you are more or less correct. This is this is the interval a comma b, right? Pay attention. This is the interval a comma b. Okay, f of x might be somewhat like this, right? When you are applying LMVT, and g of x might be somewhat like this. Okay. Okay, g of x might be somewhat like this. Tell me, at a particular value of c, okay, it might happen that you can apply LMVT for f of x. But that at that particular point, can you apply LMVT for g of x? No, it's not possible. I mean, might be possible.
It may
Might
not be
not be
parallel
possible.
to the.
Exactly. So at that particular point, are the tangents parallel for both f of x and g of x? Tell me everyone. Are the tangents parallel for both f of x and g of x? Yes or no? Tell me. No, right? Tell me. Those are online, are people getting? Tell me, Adrija,
Yes.
Agniva, Aisha, are people getting? Arjo, is it clear? Socrates, Samragni,
Yes, sir.
Shubhangi, Sohan, is it
Yes,
clear? Okay, so this
Yes,
is
sir.
the wrong proof. Okay, everyone. Okay. Next, now I'm going to tell you the correct proof. Okay. So let us see the proof, everyone. Okay. Next. So over here, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cross multiply. We know that G dash C, what is F dash C? F dash C by G dash C is F of B minus. So luckily we are actually getting the, expression. Okay. Upon G of A. Okay, so let us cross multiply everyone. What do we get? We'll get G dash C into F of B minus F of A. This will be equal to F dash C into G of B minus G of A. Okay, so over here I'm going to take this function. Okay, everyone, let h of x is equal to g of x into f of b minus f of a minus f of x into g of b minus g of a. Tell me, are people getting? Okay, now over here let us find out what is h of a. H of a is equal to g of a into f of b minus g of a into f of a minus f of a into g of b plus f of a into g of a. So everyone, minus f of a into g of a plus f of a into g of a gets cancelled. We are getting g of a into f of b minus f of a into g of b. Okay everyone, this is what we have got for h of a. So everyone, will we get the same thing for h of b? Tell me. H of b will also be the same. You try it out, you'll get it.
So, can you?
Yes. You try it out everyone, h of a and h of b, they both will be same.
In the like h of x is equal to, wasn't it g dash x?
Yes, after differentiating we'll get it. Yeah, g dash x.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to use roles.
So you are making a function.
Yes, I'm making a function. In Rolle's theorem LMVT, you have to make a function such that you come to the result afterwards. Okay. So that's what I did. Yes, backtracing. Okay. There is one backtracing you people use in physics theorem also, right? The Newton's finding the reversing. Okay. Probably finding the focal length or something. No, using Newton's formula. Right, I remember. Okay, anyways. Huh? What? In exam, yes, I know. To get the exact data.
I use it for solving.
H of A and H of B, we have got it, everyone. This implies H of X. I mean, we can use roles on H of X. This implies there exists some C belongs to A comma B such that H dash X is equal to 0. Okay, now you are going to get the result. Okay, everyone. This implies G dash C into F of B minus F of A. This will be equal to minus F dash C into G of B minus G of A equal to 0. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. This implies F dash C by G dash C is equal to F of B minus F of A upon G of B minus G of A. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me now. Okay, let us do some problems. Okay, everyone. Question number 1. Those are online. Have you people understood the proof? Tell me, Rasheshwari, Anvesha, Adrito. Over here, everyone understood? Madhurya, Shanaya.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Second scroll up a bit.
Is it clear? Rishabh, Samragni, Shijita, Shubhangi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Swapnil, Shinika, is it clear? Shamili,
Yes, sir.
what
Yes,
is the
sir.
graphical over here? What is it saying that means if you find out the ratio of the tangents of the chords, it will always be same at a particular point. Are you getting? Ratio will be same at a particular point. F dash C by G dash C, ratio of the slopes will be same. Okay, let us start. Question number 1. F of X is continuous and differentiable in close A comma B. Prove that. Okay. Prove that there exists some C belongs to A comma B such that F dash C by G dash C is equal to F of B minus F of A upon B cube minus A cube. Solve. Wait a minute. F dash C by 3C square. Sorry. F dash C by 3C square is equal to F of B minus F of A. Okay. Okay. Next.
Sir, you gave this question in homework, right?
Give it.
Like this actually.
Like this similar kind of question I have given.
Ha.
Question number 2. Okay, for the following functions.
Like from that question only we can derive this, right?
Yes. For the following function. Okay. Yashna, what happened? You want to change place with Ritam? Tell me. No, right? For the following function. Okay. Find whether. Achha, wait. For the following function, determine. You just have to tell me. Okay. Determine whether C is AM, GM, or HM between A and B. Okay. Number 1. F of X equal to 1 by X square and G of X is equal to 1 by X. Number 2. F of X equal to root over X and G of X is equal to 1 by root over X. Okay. Solve, everyone, solve. f of x and g of x are similar. Oh yes, yes. 1 by x square. G of x equal to 1 by x square. Solve everyone quickly.
Sir,
Done.
first one.
That's one. I'm checking. I'm checking.
Step 1.
Oh, one is correct. Okay, those are online. I'm checking. Let me see. Yes, Aditya, your answer is correct. Rasheshwari, your answer is correct. Samragni, your answer is correct. All right. Large fonts. Yes. Rishabh, your answer is correct. Sokri. First one is correct. Checking the next ones. Wait. The second one is correct. Aisha. Aisha, first one is correct. And part 2 is correct. Agniva, first one is correct. Swapnil, your answer is correct. Rasheshwari, part 1 is correct. First one is done. Adrija, first one is correct. 2 part 1. Correct.
Sir,
Yes, both are correct. First one is correct. So, yes. Okay, so everyone, by looking at the denominator, b cube minus a cube, of course, we have to take g of x is equal to x cube. Right, tell me everyone. G of x equal to x cube. After that, we can solve it. Pay attention here. Number one, those who have not done it, pay attention. Number one. Let us take g of x equal to x cube. Okay, so everyone, what do we get? F dash x by g dash x. Okay, there exists some c belongs to like f dash c will be upon g dash c. This is equal to f of b minus f of a upon g of b minus g of a. Right, tell me everyone. F and g both are continuous and differentiable. Right, so from here, what are we getting? From here, f dash c by 3c square is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b cube minus a cube. There is another method you can apply. You can apply Rolle's theorem also by cross multiplying and taking a function. The way I have proved it, the way I have proved Cauchy's sequence, Cauchy's theorem, same way you can prove it as well. I mean, same way you can do this one as well. Next, 2 part 1 I am solving.
So what checkpoints?
Yes, Shrita, 2 both are correct. Yes, Rishabh, 2 part 1 is correct. So, correct. 2 part 1 is correct. Rishabh. Okay, next, Adrito. 2 part 1 is correct. 2 part 1 is correct. Shinika. Shubhangi, 2 part 1 is correct. Oipsha, 2 part 1 is correct. Swapnil. Others also send your answers.
Sir, I have sent it. I am correct.
So I'm checking. Swapnil, 2 part 1. Okay, 2 part 1, I think you are making some mistake. What have you written? Let me see. No, I think you are making some mistake. Wait, let me see. I've got a different answer for 2 part 1. Okay, Aditya, check 2 part 2. Samragni. I'm checking. Samragni, both are correct. And Anvesha, both are correct. Shamili. Shamili, 2 part 1 is correct. Okay, I'm solving 2 part 1. Again, done. So what do we need over here, everyone? Number 2. Okay, f of x is given, g of x is given. F dash c by g dash c. I'm directly applying, okay. Function is continuous and differentiable. F dash c by g dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a. That is 1 by b minus f of 1 by a upon 1 by b square minus 1 by a square. Right, tell me, are you people getting? Now what is f dash c? F dash c is equal to, I've got some other answer. F dash c is equal to minus 1 by c square, right? Tell me everyone. And the denominator, what is 1 by x square? Minus 2 by
minus 2 by c cube.
c cube. This is equal to how much? 1 by b minus 1 by a. So this is nothing but a minus b by ab upon a square minus b square upon a square b square. Tell me, are you people getting? Tell me. Shanaya, are you getting? Shanaya, Madhuja, are you getting? Ankit? Okay, so over here what do we get? Minus minus gets cancelled. So this will give us c by 2, right everyone? Tell me. C by 2 is equal to
AB by a plus b.
AB by a plus b. Right. So people can understand that C is the harmonic mean between A and B, right? Very simple. 2AB by A plus B. This implies C is the HM, harmonic mean of A and B. Next.
Sir, I have two questions.
Yes, tell me.
How to understand that to use Cauchy's mean value?
It will be, once you see that it is in that form, use Cauchy's mean value theorem.
Like when two different functions are given.
Yes. Okay. Actually, there was a paragraph related to this question. I didn't give that paragraph because I didn't wanted to write so much. Okay. Since we are already doing Cauchy's theorem, okay, so I didn't give that paragraph. Okay.
F and G must be continuous and differential.
How can we say it's continuous? It can be 0 to
I told you that there was a big paragraph given. I didn't give that
Oh,
paragraph.
that's fine.
Okay. In that paragraph, it was given. Wait, I'm reading it out. Okay. In that paragraph, prove that C belongs to A, comma B such that f dash C divided by G dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A upon G of B minus G of A, where f and C are continuous and differentiable. Use this result to determine. So I eliminated it. I didn't want it to write. Since we are already doing Cauchy's theorem, so I didn't write it. Okay. You people can understand. Okay. Next, part 2. Huh? Increase. Okay, part 2, everyone. Pay attention. Okay. So now I solved part 2. Yes, Rishabh, your answer is correct. Shamali, your answer is correct. Rasheshwari, your answer is correct. Agniva, your answer is correct. Who is this? Yes, Shinika, right answer. And Shubhangi, right answer. Okay, Adrito, your answer is correct. Others are not writing. There are people. Arjo, what happened?
Sir, writing the second one.
Arjo, Shreyasi,
Sir, doing the
people, Sochoy. Okay. Yes, sure. Correct. Yes. Part 2, pay attention. Yes, Ronak, right answer. Part 2. Again, same thing. F dash C by G dash C. F dash C by G dash C is equal to f of B minus f of A upon G of B minus G of A. Okay, everyone. So let us start. What is f dash C, everyone? F dash C over here, 2 root x, right, everyone? 1 by 2 root over x. 1 by 2 root over x. And over here, what do we get? 1 by, wait a minute, it was 1 by root over x, no? So x to the power minus half. So it is equal to minus half x to the power 3 by 2. This will be equal to f of b minus f of a. So this will be c actually.
So the answer of second question.
It's equal to f of b minus f of a. So that is root over x minus 1 by root over x. F of b minus f of a. So root over b minus root over a upon 1 by root over b minus 1 by root over a.
Sir, I sent you the answer.
Okay, let me see. Yes, your answer is correct. On simplification, you people can simplify. On simplification, you will get c is equal to square root of ab. Tell me, are people getting? You will get c is equal to square root of ab. People can simplify. This will be root over ab in the denominator. Like, see, this is root b minus root over a upon this is root over a minus root over b divided by root over ab, right? These two will get cancelled by minus 1. Minus gets cancelled over here. Okay, so c is equal to square root of ab. So now is it clear? Okay, tell me. Those who are online, are people getting? Next. Another question, everyone. If a is less than b is less than c, question number, I don't know. This one. Question number 3. Why? Wait. I'll post it. Question number 3. Okay, you have to tell me which option is correct, and you will get only one chance. Okay, solve everyone. This is question number 3. Solve.
Is this single or two correct?
Single correct type. Wait, let me see. Single correct type or multiple correct? Oh, single correct. This is number 3. What is given in the question? Y equal to f of x is double differentiable such that f of a is equal to f of b is equal to 0. F of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to a comma b. So option A is given. F double dash c is less than 0 for some c belongs to a comma b. It's greater than 0 for some c belongs to a comma b. Done. You show me which option you cannot see, right? A little bit in large fonts. No, I don't think so. Wait. Large. Yes. No.
One chance one.
So everyone solve quickly. Yes, Aditya, right answer. Swapnil, right answer. Solve quickly, everyone.
Single choice.
Hmm?
Single choice.
Sir.
Single choice. Show. Now check it again. Gone. Gone. Chance gone. Okay. You had only one lifeline. Gone. Yes, Akhil is the right answer.
Sir. I saw the wrong option.
Yeah, it is correct. Yes, Asheshwari, right answer.
How can we apply Cauchy here?
Cauchy also I'll apply. First of all, I'll do it conceptually. Okay, through graph. Then I'll apply Cauchy also. Okay. I'll do both. Yes, Rishabh, Adrito, your answers are correct. So let us start, everyone. Right? Let us start.
Sir,
Tell me.
may I give another try?
Another try. Yes, second attempt. Tell me. No. Second attempt gone. He has also given B. Okay, everyone pay attention. Number 3. Second attempt. Second attempt. Second
I
attempt.
did correct. That I.
He also second attempt.
Second attempt. Second attempt. I give the.
Number 3, pay attention, everyone. What does f double dash x greater than 0 means? Tell me, everyone. What does it mean? This implies f is concave up. Right? Tell me, everyone. Concave up, isn't it?
Yes.
And f double dash x less than 0, what does it means? F is concave down.
sir.
Concave down. Okay. Let's see, it is given f of c is equal to 0 for some c belongs to a comma b. It's option C. And f of a equal to f of b given as 0. Just see, f of a and f of b is given as 0. Okay. Pay attention, everyone. I just draw 2 graphs. Okay. You'll be able to understand. Either the graph will look somewhat like this. Right. I mean, try to understand. F of x is completely above x-axis. Nah? So this is A, this is B. This is one way we can draw the graph. Right. This is one way we can draw the graph. Number 2. Right, Shanaya, Madhurjo, are you getting? Those are online, are people getting? Yes or no?
Sir, I think the maxima will be.
There is another way we can draw the graph. There can be multiple maximas, minimas. Right, there is another way we can draw the graph. Can you people understand? Tell me, those are online, are people getting? Tell me, Anvisha, Agniba, are people getting? Sarvagni, Shubhangi, Sohan, are you getting? Sohan, Shamali, Shinika, are people getting? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let us see what is given. F double dash C less than 0 for some C belongs. In both cases, there will be some point. In both the cases, there will be at least one point such that F double dash X is negative. You see? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
There will be some point where the function is concave down. Yes or no? Tell me. So option A is correct only. Next, but let us see why option B, C and D are wrong. B, C is wrong. Okay.
So C would have been correct if it was F prime C.
C cannot be correct. Why? Because you see, f of C is equal to 0. F of C is equal to 0, that means it is intersecting the x-axis. Right or not? But if it intersects the x-axis, what will happen? Tell me everyone.
F of x will become 0.
If it becomes 0 like this, okay, then can I say that f of x is greater than 0
Yes,
for all x belongs to a comma b? It will violate this statement. Next, let us talk about option B. F dash C is greater than 0 for all C belongs to a comma B. No. For all. For some it can be possible. For all it cannot. So answer should be option A only. Is it clear everyone? Conceptual problem. Next, let us understand how we can apply Cauchy sequence. Okay everyone, Cauchy's theorem. Pay attention. Method 2. Okay. So over here I am going to take multiple intervals. Okay. So over here let us take one interval. Let C1 belongs to a comma a plus b by 2. Okay everyone. Let C1 belongs to a plus b, a comma a plus b by 2. Okay. So what is f dash C1? F dash C1 is equal to f of a plus b by 2 minus f of a upon a plus b by 2 minus a. Right, tell me everyone. So this will give us how much? Now see, f of a plus b by 2 is positive. Minus 0 upon a plus b by 2 minus a will give us how much? B minus a by 2, right? So denominator is positive, right? So the whole thing is coming as positive, right? So I've got f dash C1 is positive. Now let us take C2 belongs to a plus b by 2 comma b. Tell me everyone, are people getting? Now in this case, what is f dash C2? F dash C2 is equal to f of a plus b by 2. Sorry, f of b minus f of a plus b by 2 upon b minus a plus b by 2. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? This will give us how much? See, this is 0 minus something positive.
So negative.
Divided by 2b minus a minus b. So that is denominator is positive, right? So this whole thing is coming as negative. Tell me, are people getting? So what do we get? This implies f dash at C2 is less than 0, right? F dash at C2 is less than 0. Now let C belongs to C1 comma C2. Let C belongs to C1 comma C2. Okay. Now applying Cauchy's over here. Okay. Applying Cauchy's. Cauchy's over here. Okay, what do we get? Cauchy's on f of x. Okay, what is f double dash c? Okay, f double dash c will be equal to
F dash B minus
f dash at c1, f dash at c2 minus f dash at c1 upon c2 minus c1. Right, tell me everyone, are people getting? So over here, what is f dash at c2? That is negative, right? And f dash at c1?
positive.
Positive. C2 minus c1, of course, This is positive, right? So what are we getting in the numerator? Negative. So what are we getting? This implies there exists some C belongs to A comma B such that, okay, actually I have applied LMVT on, write it down, LMVT on f dash x, okay, LMVT on f dash x. So what are we getting? So there exists some C belongs to A comma B such that f double dash C is negative, right? Tell me everyone, are you people getting yes or no? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me.
How do we derive the fact that it can be positive also sometimes? Because from this, we can calculate that it is always negative from this derivation.
For positive, wait, let me think.
This proof says that it will be negative always.
Correct, that's right.
We saw the graph that it can be positive.
Or some C belongs to A comma B. So we have to take such an interval, okay, such that it is positive. Wait. In that case, okay, let us do some backtracking. Over here, f double dash C is equal to f dash C2 minus f dash C1 upon C2 minus C1, right? Over here, C2 was greater than C1. Okay. So denominator will be always like this only, right? We have to take such an interval. We have to take such an interval such that the numerator is coming positive. Okay. For numerator to be positive, f dash C2 has to be positive, right? Positive minus something. Okay. F dash C2 has to be positive. For f dash C2,
Greater than f dash C1.
yes. Wait, f dash C2 has to be greater than. From here it will be difficult. Like C2 I have taken from a plus b by 2 comma b. Now from here, okay, let me think. I'll tell you. Okay, but currently this is what we can derive. Okay, but still let me think. I'll tell you how we can prove that it is positive. Right. Over there also we have to take some interval only. Okay. Understood. Over there also we have to take some interval such that f dash C1 will become negative and f dash C2 will become positive. Are you getting? Then only it will happen. But let me think. Okay, it will take some time. Anyways, next everyone. F comma G. Question number 4. F comma G is continuous and differentiable such that f of 0 is equal to 5, g of 0 is equal to 0, f of 2 is equal to 8, g of 2 is equal to 1, such that there exists some c belongs to, show that there exists some c belongs to close 0 comma 2 such that f dash c is equal to 3 g dash c. Solve. So should I start? Tell me everyone.
No, please wait.
Correct. Yes. Arju, your answer is correct. Rishabh, your answer is correct. Swapnil, your answer is correct. So let us start. What have we got? Okay, what we can apply? G dash. We can apply Cauchy. Yes, Samragni, is it done? Send. This one is very easy. What else you need? Yes, your answer is correct, Adrija. Samragni, your answer is correct. Done, sure.
So could you press comfort? But let's go to that. Thank you.
The aerodynamics.
Sure. No.
Yes. Is it over? Yes. Sit. Shana. Shift. Huh? LMVT? Yes, software is the right answer. Oh. Used the wrong formula but got the right answer.
Indirectly prove that theorem.
Is Pratyay right answer? Yes.
So actually all the answers will be correct if I do with the wrong method only.
Should I give you one problem like that? Will you be able to do it? Tell me. With wrong method only. Tell me.
Sir, is there any question that doesn't happen by eliminating and then dividing?
Huh? No, technically it is not correct. No? F dash C by 3 dash by G dash C is equal to F of B minus F of A. So F of 2 minus F of 0 upon G of 2 minus G of 0. Okay, everyone. What is F of 2 over here? 8. F of 2 minus F of 0. So F of 0 is equal to 5. 8 minus 5 upon 1 minus 0. So that will give us how much? 3. This implies F dash C is equal to 3 G dash C. Hence group. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Next. Our next topic is Maxima and Minima. Okay, everyone. Maxima and Minima. Okay. So suppose the graph of f of x is, suppose the graph of f of x is like this. Pay attention. Okay. Now see, there are some points, everyone. This point is x1. Let us say this is x2. Okay, this is x2. This is x3. This is x4. Okay. Let us say that this is x1. This is x1. This is x2. This is x3. This is x4. Okay, everyone. So all these points over here you can say x1, x3 are known as local maximas. And x2, x4 are known as local minima. Okay, note number 1, maxima or local maxima or relative maxima all have the same meaning. Okay, everyone. Relative maxima, they all have same meaning. Okay. Number 2. Similarly, minima, local minima, all of them have the same meaning. Local minima or relative minima all have same meaning. Okay. All have same meaning. Tell me, are you people getting? Next. Number 2.
Number 3, I guess.
Number 3. Okay, number 3. Okay. Suppose you get a graph like this. Okay, suppose you get a graph like this. This is 1. Let us say that this point is 1. Okay. And this point is 3. This point is 1, this point is 3. Okay. Let us say that this is 7. Okay. So over here the function is maximum. Over here the function is maximum in the interval, in the complete interval (1, 3). Okay, everyone. So the function has global maxima. Okay, this is known as global maxima in 1, 3. Okay, but IIT has never asked you questions on global maxima. Never. Okay, till now. But you people may be the lucky ones.
Sir,
Your most famous quote.
Wow. You people may be the lucky ones. Anything can be. Yes, Rishabh, tell me what happened.
sir, is it global maxima because maxima lies in an interval, or
Yes, yes. The whole interval is maximum. Okay. It is attaining. What?
Lucky can be changed by unlucky.
Huh?
Maybe that lucky can be changed by unlucky.
No. You people may be the lucky ones. Okay, next. Number 4. A function can have several maxima and minima. Right? Tell me, everyone. Can anyone give me an example? Can have several maxima and minima. Sin x. Sin x. Next, number 5. Okay. Can a local maxima of a function be less than the local minima of that function? Tell me. Raise your hand. Yes or no? What do you think? Again, listen to it very carefully. Can a local maxima of a function be less than the local minima of that of the same function?
Sir, for any interval.
Okay, Rhythm, tell me.
Yes.
Yes, it can happen, right? It can happen. Right. If you draw the graph like this, pay attention. Okay. See, okay, over here, the local minima of the function, one of the local minima of the function is greater than the local maxima of the function. Can you people see? It can happen. Tell me, anyone having any doubt? You can ask me. Next, this is local minima. And this is local maximum. Next, between two local maxima, between two local maxima, between two local maxima, there exists a local minima, generally. Okay. Of course, there is an exception. Pay attention, everyone. Between two local maxima, how there can be a local, how a local minima may not exist. Pay attention, everyone.
Like this.
See. This one. Then the function can be a constant. Okay. Okay. Can people see? So over here, the function has local maxima. Right. Tell me. And over here also the function has maxima. But tell me, between these two maximas, are you finding any minima? Tell me. No.
That line is parallel to x-axis, right?
Yes. Constant.
So that doesn't remain a local maximum, it becomes a global maximum.
Yes. Maxima only. At every point there is a local maxima, right? Every point there is local maxima. So over here, between two local maxima, you are not getting a local minima. Understood? Next. Pay attention. This is point number, no, okay. For a non-differentiable function, it is already known, and or you can say we cannot determine maxima or minima. It is already done in monotonicity. Do you remember? I gave some examples. Right? Do people remember? This graphs I did, and I was asking whether it contains maxima or minima. Tell me, over here we have maxima or minima? Raise your hand, tell me. Let me see how many of you people can. Yes, Madhurya, tell me. Maxima. Okay, do people remember? So I'm not discussing it once again, okay? Next.
Sir, could you please scroll a little up?
Yes.
Sir, did you calculate my score today?
Not yet. I didn't get time. I'll calculate and tell you.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, done. Next, how to determine? This one is also done in functions chapter. I've already done it, but still I'm doing it once again. How to determine the concavity of the graph? Concavity of the graph using the second derivative d2y by dx square for a differentiable function. How to determine? Okay, let us start. So case 1, when y is equal to f of x, is concave downwards. Okay, then y is equal to f of x is concave downwards. Yes, Rasheshwari, you are saying something?
Yeah, can you scroll a bit up?
Yes.
Okay.
When y is equal to f of x is concave downwards. Pay attention, everyone. This is how the graph is going to look like. Okay, I'm going to draw tangents at different points. Okay, everyone. See, this tangent, what is the slope of this tangent? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay. The graph is concave downwards. So over here, pay attention. If I want to find out dy by dx, let us say that this is P and this is Q. Dy by dx at P is equal to, P is less than 0, right? No, greater than 0. And dy by dx at Q is less than 0. Right, tell me everyone. Okay. So everyone, what is d2y by dx square? d2y by dx square is equal to y dash initial minus y dash final. Sorry, y dash final minus y dash initial. Y dash final minus y dash initial divided by final minus initial, right? Delta x. So what is y dash final? Positive or negative? Negative. What is y dash initial? Positive. Divided by delta is positive only. So this is, are you people getting that this is less than 0? Right. So what can we conclude? This implies
So should we write this?
f of x, if you want you can write. F of x is concave downwards. But I know that some people tend to forget, so doing it once again. Concave downwards. If dy by dx at x equal to a is less than 0. Okay. Also,
dy by dx. Single differentiation. Right, that is
Oh, wait. d2y by dx square, d2y by dx. Sorry, concave downwards. This implies everyone, f of x has local maxima. F of x has local maxima at x equal to a if dy by dx at x equal to a is equal to 0, okay, and d2y by dx square at x equal to a is less than 0, then x is equal to a is a point of local maxima. Is it clear to everyone? And the opposite thing is going to happen in case of local minima, right? Tell me. Case 2. When y is equal to f of x is concave upwards. Is concave upwards. In this case, what will happen, everyone? Dy by dx at x equal to a should be equal to 0, and d2y by dx square at x equal to a must be greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0. Okay. Then x equal to a is a point of local minima. Okay. Case 3. There exists another case, everyone. When y dash is equal to 0 and y double dash is equal to 0, then there can be many cases. Then there is no other choice. You have to check left hand side and right hand side. Okay. Then there exist many cases. Okay, number 1, y equal to x cube, right? At x equal to 0. What happens, everyone, for y equal to x cube? Graph is always increasing, right?
Yes,
Graph
sir.
is always increasing. So over here, will we get any local maxima or local minima? Tell me. Always increasing. Next, number 2. Y equal to minus x cube at x equal to 0. Graph is increasing or decreasing?
So decreasing.
Always decreasing. So over here, will we get any point of local maxima or local minima? Tell me. Next, number 3. Y equal to x to the power 4 at x equal to 0. What will we get? Maxima or minima?
Minima.
We have a local minima. Local minima. Okay. When you double differentiate, okay, y equal to x to the power 4, what will you get? 12x square, right? So after double differentiation, is the sign changing for x less than 0 and greater than 0? The sign is not changing. Whenever the sign changes, the concavity changes. So you won't get a local maxima or minima. You'll get a point of inflection. But when the sign remains the same, that means you will get a maxima or minima. Like this, you have to remember for a differentiable function. Number 4. Y equal to minus x to the power 4 at x equal to 0 will get a local maxima. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, next. So write it down, like from the above cases, okay, we can observe that for y equal to x cube, there is a change of sign. There's a change of sign. Okay. In y dash. Okay. And for y equal to x to the power 4, the sign of y dash wait, sign of y dash, there is no change. There is no change of sign in y dash. Okay, so thus it becomes always increasing, right? And the sign of y dash changes around 0, changes in the neighborhood of 0. Of 0. Tell me. Okay, let us solve some more problems, everyone. Okay, let's do some problems on Maxima-Minima. Okay, question number 5. If y is equal to sine theta cos theta for some theta belongs to 0, pi by 2, find the maxima of y. Find the maxima of y. Quickly solve, everyone. Question number 6. If y is equal to sine square theta into cos theta, find y max. Question number 7. For a given slant height, wait a minute, for a given slant height, prove that given slant height, prove that volume of a conical tent for a given slant height, find the angle, find the semi-vertical angle, find the semi-vertical angle if the volume of the conical tent is maximum. Conical tent is maximum. Solve. This is question number 7. What is written?
Sir,
Sure. What y max? Question number 5. So I want the maximum value of phi. We are finding something else.
oh, maximum value.
Something else is given.
Sir, please.
Oh no. Yours is correct. First one is correct.
Second one.
First one is correct.
Sir, second one. Sir.
Second one, I have got a different answer. No, I've got a different answer. Correct.
Afterwards, can you tell me what's wrong with my second one?
Second one. Wait, I'll tell now. Let me see. Yes, Socrates, both are correct. Adrija, number 5 is correct. Aibsha, both are correct. Swapnil, yes, Swapnil, your answer is correct. Samragni 5 is correct. Rasheshwari 5 is correct. Adrito 5 is correct. Shamali 5 is correct. Ahir 5 is correct. Adrito 5 is correct. Anvesha 5 is correct. Rishabh 5 is correct. Who else has sent? Let's see. Shinika 5 is correct. Shubhangi 5 is correct. Sohan 5 is correct. Ronak 5 is correct. Agniva 5 is correct. Okay, let us start, everyone. Number 5, everyone, pay attention. We need to find out.
Proof in ISC wood.
Which one?
Number 7.
Number 7, proof.
Yes.
Oh, prove it then.
I have sent you the answer.
Yes. Why? So this one is easy over here. I mean, this one we don't even need to use calculus, everyone. Sin theta cos theta. What is sin theta cos theta, everyone? Sin 2 theta
Half
by
of
2.
sine 2 theta.
Yes. So what is the max, everyone? Y max
5 by
is
4.
5 by 4. Half,
No,
na?
no. Theta is yes.
And y minimum is minus half. That's very easy. Quickly solve 6 and 7, everyone. Yes. Pratyay, right answer. Ahid, your answer is correct. Rishabh. Yes. Aipsha, right answer. Adrito, your answer is correct. Shunika, right answer. So many answers. Yes, Rishabh, right answer. And Sohan, right answer. Aipsha, right answer. Sokrit, right answer. Adrija, your answer is correct. Shubhangi, right answer. Samragni, right answer. Sohan, check your answer again. Okay. Over here, number 6 is done. Okay, let me solve 6. Okay, everyone pay attention. 6 I am solving. So for 6, there are 2 methods, everyone. Okay. Pay attention, everyone. Number 6. Y equal to sin square theta cos theta. Let us find out y dash. Sin square theta cos theta. Right. Let me simplify this a little bit. Okay. For my convenience. Y equal to sin theta into cos theta. Right. So I can write it as sin theta into sin 2 theta by 2. Everyone. Right. Tell me, everyone. Y is equal to sin 2 theta into sin theta into sin 2 theta by 2. So y dash will be equal to half within brackets sin theta into 2 cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta into cos theta. Okay, everyone. Is equal to, put it equal to 0, everyone. Okay. Sin theta into 2. Okay, so everyone, this will become half into something should be common. Let's see. 2 cos 2 theta. What is cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta. Sin 2 theta. Sin theta into
We could use UV.
2 into no, what UV?
Product rule.
No.
Sin theta is the first.
Into 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. Plus 2 sin theta into cos square theta. Cos square theta. Okay, these 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. This is equal to 0. Okay, something is common, everyone. Cos square theta is common, right? Within brackets, we are getting 2 sin theta. Oh no, cos square theta is not common. What am I getting? Sin theta is common. Sin theta is common. We'll get 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta, right? Tell me, everyone. This is equal to 0. So what I'm getting? I'm getting cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3. Tell me, are people getting? After getting cos square theta is equal to 1 by 3, I need to find out the maximum value, right? So what is cos theta?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Okay, but it should be plus minus 1 by root 3.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The interval is given.
Huh? Interval is given?
No, sir.
No interval is given. Plus minus 1 by root 3. Okay, cos theta is equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. Okay, we'll have to check whether we'll get the maximum or the minimum. Okay, so I've got 3 cos square theta minus 1. Na? So this is minus 1 by root 3. Yes, plus 1 by root 3. Okay, so it is 3x square minus 1. Right, 3x square. 3. So graph will look somewhat like this. Okay, negative, positive, negative. So from positive to negative, well, we are getting the maximum value. Wait, have I drawn the graph correctly? 3 cos theta minus 1. Oh, sin theta is also there now. So for something negative, that will become negative only.
The sine square theta will always be positive.
No, sin theta we have got. I'm talking about y dash. Talking about y dash. So I think this is how the graph will look like. Okay, dy by dx is changing its sign from positive to negative. Wait, I think I drew the previous graph correctly. Wait, let me see. So it is 3x square minus 1, right? So root 3x minus 1 into root 3x plus 1. Okay. The graph will look somewhat like this only. Okay. So the graph is changing from negative to positive. So in this case you are getting minus 1 by root 3. Wait, let me substitute minus 2. So this is negative. Achha, this is negative only, right? So previous one was only correct. This one. Okay. This one is only correct. Okay. No, wait a minute. I'm getting confused. We are talking about 3x square minus 1. Wait. I'm getting confused. Wait, this one was only correct. Okay. It's a parabolic graph. Root 3x square minus 1. So this will be positive, then negative, then positive, right? So 1 by root 3 will get the maximum, right? So cos theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So what is sin theta? Tell me everyone. Sin theta will be equal to root 2 by root 3, right? Root 2 by root 3. Therefore y max will be equal to sin square theta into cos theta. That is root 2 by root 3 whole square into 1 by root 3. Which will give us how much? 2 by 3 root 3. Yes, 2 by 3 root 3 is the correct answer. Method 2 everyone. Okay. See, I need sin square theta into cos theta. Can I use AMGM inequality? Right? Can I use AMGM inequality? Yes or no? But we have to use it in such a way such that we'll get sin square theta into cos theta on the right hand side. And on the left hand side, what we should get? Tell me.
Sin theta plus cos theta in this form.
In this form. Okay, so that means we need 2 sines, 1 cos.
And like sin plus cos.
But there should be some value, right? Let us take sin square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 plus cos square divided by 3. This is greater than or equal to cube root of sin square theta into sin to the power 4. Wait, cube root of sin to the power 4 by 2 into cos square, right? Now it's fine. How what?
Sin to the power
Multiplying. Oh, 4. Yes, correct. So what on the left hand side, what have we got? 1 by 2, 1 by 3, right? 1 by 3 is greater than or equal to cube root of sin to the power 4 by 4 into cos square. Okay, cubing both sides, what do we get? Sin to the power 4 by 4 into cos square is less than or equal to 1 by 27, right? Tell me everyone. 1 by 27. So this implies sin square by 2 into cos square is less than or equal to 1 by 3 root 3. Taking 2 to the right hand side, we'll get the result. Sin square cos square is less than or equal to 2 by 3 root 3. Okay, this is the maximum value. Tell me, has everyone understood how to apply EMGM?
Yes, sir.
Cos to the power 1. Yes, you are correct. Cos to the power 1. Correct. Tell me, everyone understood how we can solve it using AMGM inequality? Yes, Rishabh, your answer is correct. Tell me, Shrita, is it clear? Shrita, Shubhangi, Shinika, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahir, your answer is correct. Okay, let me solve number 3. Number 7.
Sir, do you actually know Vikash Tiwari, sir?
From Allen, I said. Did you think about that person who wrote the Olympiad book?
Yes, sir.
Yes, no. They were also asking the same thing. No, check it out. Wait, convert it into tan. Okay, number 3. I think you'll get the answer. This is number 7, okay? So over here, what do we
Can
get?
you show the question marks?
Yes, number 7. For a given slant height, find the semi-vertical angle if the volume of the conical tent is maximum.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait, there is another person who is there in Allen over here in Kolkata. They were talking about that person. Are getting a heat?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the conical tent. Okay, everyone pay attention. Semi-vertical angle. Okay. We need to find out the semi-vertical angle. Okay, slant height is given. For a given slant height, it is given. For a given slant height, we need to find out the max. So this is the given slant height. Okay, everyone. And let us say that this is L. What is the volume, everyone? Volume of a con 1 by 3?
1/3 pi r square each.
Pi r square h. Right, everyone, tell me. 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. Now over here, can you people understand that h is equal to L cos theta? Tell me. And r is equal to
L sin theta.
L sin theta. Right? So volume is equal to how much? 1/3 pi into L square into,
L square sin square theta.
sorry, it will be L cube, right? L cube into sin square theta into cos theta, right? Tell me, everyone. Now, why did I find it in terms of L? Because the slant height is given to us. H and R is not given. Whatever is given, you find it in terms of that variable only, okay? Now see, the volume is maximum when this is maximum. What is the maximum? Just now we have found it, right?
1 by
2 by 3 root 3.
2 by 3 root 3.
2 by 3 root 3. Right. So volume is max when sin square theta into cos theta is max. Right? And the maximum value is attained when all the quantities involved are equal to each other, right? In AMGM we know it,
yes,
right?
yes.
So sin square theta by 2 must be equal to cos square theta. Right, tell me everyone. From here what do we get? Tan square theta is equal to how much? 2. Right, so tan theta is equal to square root of 2. Right, tan theta is equal to square root of 2. So theta is equal to tan inverse root 2. Tell me, anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Tell me, Ankit, is it clear?
Sir, why this sin square theta by 2 equals to cos square theta here?
So just now we did this problem, right?
Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir. No, I did it in other method. That's okay,
Okay.
sir.
So if cos theta equals to 1 by root 3, it is automatically tan theta equals to root 2.
Cos.
Like,
So I didn't say that it is not correct. It's correct or not?
This is another one.
Okay. Next, question number 8. Discuss the extremum. Extremum means maxima and minima. Discuss the extremum, maxima or minima of f of x equal to 2x plus 3x to the power 2 by 3. Solve, everyone. Okay. Question number 9. For what values of a and b? For what values of a and b will get the maximum of integral from a to b minus of x minus 1 into x minus 3 dot dx. Quickly solve, everyone.
So what is the meaning of discuss?
Discuss means you have to tell me which one is the maxima, which one is the minima. Okay. Where are you getting maxima? Where are you getting minima?
Sir.
Done.
So you write the point of the value.
You
have to write the point of the value.
Which one?
Which
Point.
Sir. Sir.
Wait. Huh. Over here. Okay, actually you need to find out at what point you are getting the maxima and what point you are getting the minima. That is right on. Which one is maxima, which one is minima? Maxima is the minima also tell me. No, you made a mistake. Maxima is okay. But write down where you are getting the minima. Over here you are getting maxima or minima?
Maximum.
Write down minima. Okay, solve it. Your answers are correct. Your answer is correct. Adrija, number 8 is correct. Shamili. Oh no, Shamili, not it. The previous one was correct. No, check it again. Okay, let me start, everyone. Okay, we have to discuss the maxima or minima of this function. Are you done? Maxima at which point? It's not safe. Okay, I've done it. Ask her to come over here. Also. No, you want to go over there? Discuss the extremum of f of x equal to 2x plus 3x to the power 2 by 3. Pay attention, everyone. So what is f dash x?
To answer it, can you check?
Answer 8 you have sent. Yes, it is correct. Okay, we have to check the variation of sign around f. Okay, let us see, everyone. F of x. First of all, can you see f of x is equal to 0 at some points if you take x common? Forget about it, not required. Okay, let us find out f dash x only. Okay, what is f dash x? F dash x is equal to 2 plus 3 into 2 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1, so x to the power 1 by 3. Okay, so 3 gets cancelled. 2 common, within brackets what do we get? X to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 upon x to the power 1 by 3. Tell me, are people getting? Okay, over here what are the critical points? Minus 1 and 0. Can you people understand? The critical points are minus 1 and 0. At 0, f dash x is not defined. Sorry, at x equal to 0, denominator is 0, right?
Yes.
At x equal to 0, it is not defined. But we have to check the variation in sign, right? Before minus 1, Before -1, it is positive or negative? Let us just check. Positive. Between -1 and 0, it is negative. After 0, it is positive. Can you see? Okay. So now you can see at -1, though, it is differentiable. At 0, it is non-differentiable. Can you understand? Okay. Over here, f dash 0 is not defined. Can you people understand? Those who are online, tell me. F dash 0 is not defined. Okay. So there will be a sharp corner. There will be a sharp corner at x equal to 0. Tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me, Shamali, Shinika, Shubhangi, are you people getting? Adrito, Rasheshwari, Anvesha, Pratyay,
Yes, sir.
people getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
At x equal to 0. Okay. Let us find out what will happen at infinity minus infinity. Let us plot the graph. F of infinity is, tell me, infinity. F of minus infinity is equal to
Infinity minus infinity.
infinity minus infinity form. Okay.
Yes, sir,
What
yes.
am 2x plus 2x to the power 2 by 3. Na? Let us take x to the power 2 by 3 common. Within brackets, what do we get? 10.
So
X bar 1 by 3
1 by 3.
minus 2.
So plus.
Or plus 2.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Okay, plus 3. And over here 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyways. So when you substitute minus infinity, this is infinity. Infinity into minus infinity plus 3. So which is in minus infinity only, right? Minus infinity, it will be minus infinity. Okay, so let us see how will the graph look like. See, the graph of this function will look somewhat like this. Pay attention. At -1, what is the value? Check. 2 into -1 is?
Minus 1.
At -1 it is 1. Okay. So this is how the graph should look like. Pay attention. Okay, we'll check it once. Asha, but after x equal to 0, it is concave up or concave down, that we have to see. Right? Concave up or concave down. It can be concave up, it can be concave down also. Okay, but before this, it is fine. Okay. For that, we need f double dash. Let us check the derivative only. Okay, dy by dx around 0, it is negative on the left hand side, positive on the right hand side. So dy by dx is changing from negative to positive, right? Around 0. It is changing from negative. So tangents are like this.
Minimum.
Huh? It is increasing. Minimum. Wait. Let us differentiate it once more. F double dash. Wait. So what is f dash x? F dash x is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 by x to the power 1 by 3. Right? Tell me. It is 2 plus. No, it's not that difficult. We can differentiate it. Okay. F double dash x will be give us how much? Tell me. 0 and over here negative, right? Minus 2 by 3 into x to the power minus 1 by 3 minus 2, right? So minus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3, right? For x greater than 0, right? Everyone just check, it is minus 1 by 3.
4 by 3 minus 4 by 3.
4 by 3, right? Achha, 4 by 3. So for x greater than 0, this is coming as negative. Okay, so the graph will be concave downwards like this. Tell me. But at infinity, it will tend to infinity only. Can you people understand? Let us check once whether this is the graph or not. What was the equation? 2x plus polynomial was?
3x plus
2x plus 3x to the power 2 by 3. Yes, everyone. See. Can you people understand? This one is concave up only. Okay, goes like this up to infinity. I hope you people can understand. Tell me.
Yes.
Is clear, everyone? Okay, at 0 it is not differentiable. Anyways, so we are getting maxima at x equal to -1 and minima at x equal to 0. Tell me, those are online, are people getting? Yes or no? But also note it down. F is not differentiable. F is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Okay. So the graph should be drawn in such a way that it is getting a vertical tangent. It is getting a vertical tangent. Tell me, are people getting? Yes or no? Okay. Next one, everyone solve. Easy. For what values of a and b will get the maximum of integral from a to b? Yes, Oipsha, right answer. Swapnil, your answer is correct. Adrija, right answer. Okay, Ahid, your answer was correct. Okay, let me solve everyone. For what values of a and b? 5%. Okay. For what values of a and b? This is number 9. Okay. We'll get the maximum of this one. Like, see, try to understand everyone. In an interval, if you're finding out the area, yes, Sohan, right answer. If the graph is like this, tell me, what area are you getting?
0.
No, not exactly 0, but some area is getting subtracted, right? Tell me, for a quadratic. So to maximize the area, okay, the complete area should be above the x-axis, right? So A has to be equal to 1 and B has to be equal to 3. Tell me, are people getting? It's a concave downwards graph. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Can ask me now. Everyone understood? When will it be maximum? In this case. In this case, it will be maximum. It's a concave downwards parabola, right?
Yes, sir.
Those who are online, are people getting? Next, question number 10. A wire of length. A wire of length 20 centimeter. A wire of length 20 centimeter is cut into 2 pieces. One is converted into a circle and other into a square. Okay. Now where the wire should be cut so that the sum total of areas of two plane figures figures. Is number 1 maximum and number 2 minimum. Okay, after this one last question, question number 11. Find coordinates of point P on x square by 8 plus y square by 18 equal to 1 in first quadrant. So that area of triangle formed by tangent at P in the coordinate axis and the coordinate axis is minimum. Coordinate axis is minimum. Okay. Yes, first one is done, everyone. Number 10. Solve. Okay, very soon AOD is going to complete. Okay, AOD test will be in the last week of July. Okay, everyone.
So that means 26th of July.
Most of them. It can be before also because in 2-3 classes it will complete. Practice. I told you last week. I have given ample amount. Last week. Okay, on high demand last week.
Sir, when is the AOD test?
Last week of July. Confirmed.
After 19th.
Yeah, most probably. After 19th only, of course.
Okay, sir. Because 19th is Allen exam.
exam. What?
Before the class, right?
What?
Before the class.
Of course, before the class. Okay, I'll include 1 or 2 problems from MOD also. Okay. Basic. Maybe I may include, may not include, that depends upon me. Okay.
Sir, MOD test was not taken.
Yes, so that's why I'm thinking to include 1 or 2 problems from MOD.
Yes,
But that
sir, included, sir.
But that depends upon me. Like, I might include, might not include. Okay. If I find a good problem on MOD, then I'll include. But if I don't find, I won't. Sure. I cannot see. No, some other answer.
Sir, second one.
Second one is quite far. Check.
This one is
So some other answer. How what?
this one is probably the second one.
The second one, there are 2 answers. There are 2 questions. Question number 10 and 11. The second one is the ellipse.
No, not
Oh, maximum minimum. You're talking about minimum or maximum? No, but some other answer is given.
It's a question to answer.
Question 2. Yes, I think this is correct. But the denominator, you are making a mistake. Okay, let me solve, everyone. Yes. So I think Sohan, you are making a mistake with part 2. Part 1 is correct.
Okay, sir.
10.2.
Correct, correct.
And for part 1, this is the answer.
Okay. Yes, Rishabh, check your answer again. Okay, actually, okay, Oisha, how did you get this answer? Cannot understand. Can you send me the full solution?
Yes, sir.
Part 1.
Okay. I understand. Okay, let us start, everyone. First of all, I'm going to do part 2. No, some other answer is here. First of all, I'm going to solve part 2, everyone. A wire of length 20 centimeters is cut into 2 pieces. Okay. One is converted into a circle and other into a square. Where the wire should be cut so that the sum total of areas of 2 plane figures is
Sir, can you
maximum and
take
minimum.
one? I think this is only coming.
Yes, Swapnil, your answer is correct. Okay, let us start. So everyone, what happened? So
Sir,
much
can you tell me where I'm making
with a
mistake?
boy. Why, Shashwato? Don't talk. Number 10, part 1. 10, part 2, first of all, I'll solve. 10, part 1, I'll solve it afterwards. Okay, everyone? Hi, yes, tell me. So, what are you saying?
Sir, are you sure I'm making mistake? I think this is
Yes,
only.
yes, I'm absolutely sure.
Okay, sir.
See? Yes, yes. Can you give me 4 options? Also.
So he is also thinking, how can Google?
How can I? Oh. Okay, everyone, pay attention. So, over here, x, and over here, 20 minus x. Okay, everyone, x and 20 minus x. Total length. With one x, we are making a circle. With another, we are making a square. Okay, everyone. So, everyone, over here, x is equal to 2 pi r, right? Tell me. And 20 minus x is equal to a side square. Side square, everyone. Okay?
Sir.
Tell me what happened.
So are you willingly choosing that which half would be a circle and which half would be a square?
You can choose, opposite ways also. You will get the same answer.
4x. 20 minus x is 4x.
Wait a minute. Yes, 4s. What am I doing? Area. So everyone, what is s over here? Tell me. S is equal to 20 minus x by 4, right? Tell me, everyone.
Yes,
And
sir.
over here, what is the radius? Radius is equal to x by 2 pi. So everyone, so what is the area function? Area function will be equal to pi r square, that is x by 2 pi whole square, plus 20 minus x by 4 whole square. Tell me, are you people getting? Yes or no?
Yes,
Now is
sir.
it clear? After, what do we need to find out? dA by dx, we have to differentiate. X is a variable over here. dA by dx will be equal to how much?
X square by 4 pi.
X square by 4 pi.
No,
What?
oh, you are directly asking dA by dx.
I am directly differentiating. Pi
Oh, x
into
by
2
2 pi
into
minus.
x by 2 pi into 1 upon 2 pi, right? Tell me.
Oh, yes, sir.
Plus, this will be 2 into 20 minus x by 4
Into
into,
minus 1.
what is the coefficient of x?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 by 4. Right, tell me, everyone. Are people getting? Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Done? Okay. We need to put it equal to 0. Okay, from here we have to get the value of x.
Oh, right. Sir, here only I made mistake. I wrote minus 1 instead of minus 1 by 4.
Oh. So over here, what is the value of x we are getting? There are too many things that will get cancelled. Pi gets cancelled. 2 gets cancelled. Wait. Hello, can everyone hear me? Hello, can
Yes.
everyone hear me? Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I'm rejoining. Okay, give me 2 minutes. I'm rejoining.
On 19, we also have the finals.
What?
Work of finals.
So, for you, your test will be on 20th.
20?
20th.
No, like 20th. Means
20.
Because
Hello, can everyone hear me? Hello, can everyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
let us solve those problems. Okay. Now can everyone see my screen? No. Okay. Everyone can see it. I know. If I
Yes,
see,
sir.
everyone can see. Okay, this implies x by 2 pi. And over here 2 gets cancelled. What do we get? X by 2 pi plus x minus 20 by 4. Right, tell me everyone. This will be equal to 0. So multiplying by what? By 8. Oh, yes, by 8. Multiplying by 8 pi on both sides, what do we get? 4 pi x. Sorry, 8 pi x. No, so 4x plus pi x minus 20 pi is equal to 0. Right, tell me. Yes, I multiplied by 8 pi. So from here, I think x is equal to 20 pi by 4 plus pi. Right, everyone, tell me. What? Yes. So at x equal to this point, okay, we'll get the minimum value, right? At x equal to this point. Okay. And what is 20 minus x, everyone? Pay attention. What is 20 minus x? 20 minus x will be equal to 20 minus 20 pi by 4 plus pi. What do we get, everyone? Check. We'll get 80 minus 20 pi minus 20 pi. Right. Wait, 80 plus 20 pi minus 20 pi upon 4 plus pi. Right. So this will give us how much? 80 by 4 plus pi. Right. Tell me, are people getting? So actually, I wanted to show you something. Okay. What was x, everyone? X was, r into 2 pi, right? Tell me. X was r into 2 pi. And no. X. So let us find out the area r. Okay. So what is r? R is equal to x by 2 pi, right? So this implies what is r? R is equal to 10 pi by 4 plus pi. What? Only 10. 10 by 4 plus pi. Yes. 10 by 4 plus pi. And over here, this is the value of 4s, right? So over here, what is the value of s? S is equal to 20 by 4 plus pi. See, this kind of questions can be asked as multiple correct type. See everyone, over here, the radius of the circle will be half of the side of the square. Okay, then only you are getting the minimum. Okay, this kind of questions can be asked. One of the options will be given s is equal to 2r or not. Okay, tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? This is how you can verify r is equal to 2s or not. Next, and when will you get the maximum? Maximum will be attained when you don't cut it, right? Because maximum will be attained.
But it is written cut into pieces.
Will be attained when x is equal to 0. Okay, and the whole length is equal to the circumference of the circle. Is it clear to everyone?
So but it is written
What?
cut into two pieces.
At x equal to 0, you will cut. Okay, just at x equal to 0. Okay, so next one also let me solve. It has been late. Let me solve. Find the coordinates of the point P. Okay, anyone has found it? Tell me. How much? Tell me.
Sent it to you.
Sir, I have to send it to you.
Acha, Sakrohit, how much you got? Tell me.
The point I got, you are asking question number 11, right?
Yes, tell me.
Point I got 2,3.
And Rija, what did you got? 2,3 only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me solve. Number 11. Find the coordinates of point P. Okay. So, first of all, tell me, it's a vertical ellipse or a horizontal ellipse? Tell me. Vertical ellipse, right? Quickly, everyone. Okay, the vertical ellipse will look somewhat like this. And this is how the graph will look like. This is the tangent. Can you people understand? Okay, we actually want to find out the area of this. Okay, area of this figure. Okay, everyone. Acha, any point on the ellipse will be over here. Any point on the ellipse will be in what form?
A cos theta.
A cos theta, B sin theta. But in this case, it will be B cos theta, comma A sin theta, right? Major axis. Okay. So over here, what is the value of B? Root 8. No. Root 18. So it will be 3 root 2 cos theta, right? Comma 2 root 2 sin theta. Right? If I'm correct, I think. Okay. Tell me, are you people getting? X equal to, no, it was x square by a square, right? So no, it will be root 8 cos theta and root 18 sin theta. Yes. X equal to root 8 cos theta and y is equal to root 18 sin theta. This is the parametric form, right? Tell me. Let us write down the equation of tangent. What is the equation of tangent? Do you remember x(x1) plus y(y1)? Equation of tangent is x(x1) by a square, right? So x into root over 8 cos theta by a square. A square is 8 plus y into root over 18 sin theta by b square, that is 18. This will be equal to how much? 1. Tell me, are you getting? Let us find out x-intercept and y-intercept, everyone. What is the x-intercept? Tell me.
Root 8 by cos theta.
Root 8 by cos theta. X-intercept will be root 8 by cos theta. And what is y-intercept?
Root 18 by sin theta.
Root 18 by sin theta. Those who are online, are you people getting? Tell me, Arjo, Samragni, Rasheshwari, Anvesha, are you people getting? Adrito?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So area we can find out. Area is equal to half into base into height. So half into root 8 by cos theta into root 18 by sin theta, right? Tell me, this is the area. We need to maximize this area. What? For area to be maximum, sin theta cos theta should be minimum, right? For area to be maximum, this is nothing but root 8 into root 18 by sin 2 theta, right? Tell me, for area to be maximum, area is minimum. Minimum is given. For area to be minimum, sin 2 theta should be max. Should be equal to 1, right? So what is the value of theta? Theta is equal to pi by 4. Tell me, those who are online, are you people getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Totoy, Sapnil, Ahir, Shwankit,
Yes, sir.
Tayasi,
Yes,
are you people
sir.
getting?
Yes, sir.
Shubhangi, over here, Ankit, is it clear? Avigyan? Okay, theta is equal to pi by 4. So we can find out the coordinates. Therefore, the coordinates of P will be root over 8 cos theta, right? Let me see. Root over 8 into cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. So root 8 by root 4 is 2. Achha, root 2. So root 4, so 2. Right. And root 18 by root 2 is root 9, so 3. Is it clear to everyone? Tell me, Sohan, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Ronak, Totoy, Agniba, is it clear? Oifsha,
Yes,
have you
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shrita, Shreyasi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so I
sir.
think everyone, we can keep it till now. Next class, we'll again continue. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone doing magic in class? Not allowed. Okay. Anyone? Avigyan? Okay. Don't meet any doctor or anyone. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Okay.